and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video, we're going to see how you can add WooCommerce cart abandonment recovery onto your WooCommerce store. So, did you know that when a person or a customer comes into your store and they might have liked something and they have left that product in the cart, but later on they forgot to buy. So maybe that they may be distracted or they forgot or something like that. So this can cause a huge loss for your business. So we have a plugin will be able to track those abandoned carts and send follow-up emails and coupon codes on your behalf to the customers so that they can come back and buy that product. So we're going to see how that's done. And here you can see a dashboard of a WooCommerce cart abandonment recovery. So you can see there is a recoverable order and that costs around $150. So also this will also be able to, you can also see which customer that has left your order, and you can just send them emails like follow-up emails and the when did they leave the product, etc. So we're going to see how this is done. So this is my website, and I don't have the product recovery option in my website as of right now. So I'm going to add this add this plugin. So I'm going to click onto the product and I'm going to add new. So in the first section, you can see the WooCommerce cart abandonment recovery by the cart flows. So it has already 200,000 plus active installation. You have to click on the install now button and you just have to activate this plugin. So upon activation, you can see you will be taken into, you will have a cart flow option right here. So cart flow comes with different options on your website. You can use this for different purposes. But now, right now, we have the cart abandonment recovery. So you can just go to the settings, or you can just go to the WooCommerce, and here you can see the cart abandonment option. So right now I have just installed the plugin, and as of now, oh no, the abandonments are measured right here. So here, if you have a customer that has abandoned your cart, they will be appeared right here, and also you can see all the emails, the details of that customers, etc. So also you can see the values of recoverable orders, recovered orders, and lost orders, etc. You can see all these metrics right from this. So I'm going to rightly go to the settings and do some quick setup. So here you can also do the enable tracking option to capture the abandoned cart. You can turn it off to deactivate this option. So also you can disable trackings for contributor, subscriber, shop manager, or whoever, so that you won't be able to like track unwanted items. Like if a shop manager choose to do something, you can disable the tracking for them. So you can do that. Also, you can also exclude the mail sending. So if someone has their order processing or someone has a completed order, you won't need to send emails to them. But someone who's having a pending payment or kept the product on hold or failed, you can send the mail for them. Also notify recovery to admin. So if a mail is sent to the customer, the another email will be sent to the admin. So that's a good option. Also delete coupons automatically. So what this plugin does is they custom generate a coupon code, so that when you are following up with the customers, it automatically send a coupon code for them to use. So you can choose to use the coupon delete option when then the time period of that coupon is done. So I'm going to choose that as well. And also if you want coupons to delete manually, you can just click onto the delete option. And also the email settings from whom the product is sent. So I'm going to add my products, my cart name, or whatever the my store's name is. I'm going to add that from my address, and then there is from address of the mail, whichever email that you want to send into, and the reply mail. If the customer has to send some replies, you can the customers can send mail to that same. So you can choose that according to yours. Maybe it may be your support mail or etc. So also you can enable the GDPR information, your customers can, any customer will be granted the permission to take their data. So I'm going to leave that there and I'm going to save the changes. So this is the basic setting for the cart abandonment recovery plugin. Now upon the main part, this is the follow-up mails. So there are existingly 3 mail templates that's available. So firstly, for the 30 minutes, so when a product is in purchase within the 30 minutes, they will be sent a mail. So I'm going to show you the mail sample. So this may be because you can edit all of this option. You can add a subject. You can add a really good copywriting email subject. And here I'm going to go to the visual part. So this will be the product email body. Firstly, they'll have a customer first name, and you can add it whatever you want, and you just leave it. So since this is the first 30 minutes, you don't want to add a coupon code for this this customer. So you can choose when this product, when this email is to be sent. If you can add the timing of the of the mail, if it can be 45 minutes or anything like that. So you can just update the changes. You can also send the test email to whichever email that you find fit. I'm going to go back, and right here there's email sample template 2. I'm going to edit that. This will be sent when they need help, asking if they need help, or yeah, the person is uh, not able to purchase. If there is some issue, you're asking that person. So this will be the template, so you can edit this as well. Here also you can create coupons. So I'm going to click the coupon thing, and you can choose whatever what type of coupons should be sent, etc. in this setting also. So I'm going to update the change, but I'm going to show you the main follow-up mail for the third day. So I'm going to go back, and here in the email sample template 2, it's where the right deal is. So here you can see there is an exclusive 10% discount to the cart coupon code. So for this coupon code, what you have to do is you have to create a coupon code. You can click that. So here the coupon code will be updated. So you can choose which type of coupon that's available. You can add the coupon amount, let's say percentage discount. If that person will have a percentage minus from their MRP. So also coupon expiry. If you have entered 0, there'll be that will not be expiring. I'm going to choose, let's say, 48 hours. And also there is also the free shipping option and individual use. I'm going to add the automatically apply the coupon when this person is sending the product. I'm going to do that as well. So I'm going to update the changes. So upon doing that, you can see the person will now have a coupon code customly made for this person. So that's about the follow-up email. So what you have to do is to enable this, you have to click on the activate template button, so that the template is active, and whenever a customer comes and abandon your cart, that person will receive mail after the trigger timing that you have set, maybe after 45 minutes, 1 day, 3 day, or whichever time that you choose. I'm going to show you how the mails are sent and how everything is shown in the website. So as you can see, when I click on to the when a customer is abandoning your cart, you can see that in the report section, and here you can see which all the mails are sent and when the mail is sent, and if the mail what's the mail status. Everything will be shown here, including the product details, which product has they abandoned, etc. So you can also choose to not to send a mail to a particular person by deactivating this. Also another thing, when you go to the marketing section in the coupons, they whichever coupons that's made during this process of cart abandonment or the plugin that created these coupons will be visible here, and they'll have the details, everything will be there. So these are the coupons that's made by this particular plugins, and you can see the usage limit is this, and these are the expiry date when the product when the coupon will be expired. So with this plugin, the mails will be sent flawlessly, and the product when all the loss that's causing due to the cart abandonment will be lowered using this plugin. So that's it. That's all about today's video. This will be a great plugin if you have a business that's stable and you're having loss, or you have to track the rate of cart abandonment, and you can recover that by pushing your customers and sending up follow-up emails. So you can customize every part of it. You can customize the coupon, you can customize the mail, etc. So hope this video helped you, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.